What's today's motto, Ciana?
I'll figure it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something really fun. As you can see, it's going to be a collaboration with my friend Ciana. But today we are going to make over Ciana's closet. So this is going to be an extreme makeover, really.
I'm excited.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna just take everything out, install a new closet, and organize it. So if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay tuned. So here is the before of Ciana's closet. So as you can see, the layout is not really as effective as Ciana would like. You know, things in her closet is, you know, everywhere. There's a bit of a mess right now, but we are going to organize her closet as well, and just essentially make a better layout for her so she can see everything that she has, and so it can be aesthetically pleasing.
You're just like tangled.
Look what we found this Future Amber here. Okay, so you're probably wondering what the heck is going on. I totally forgot to record us pulling all of the clothing out, and at this point we had pulled everything out and even broke down the shelving, and we found this in the closet. What is this? What?
I don't know. I had this since I was like a baby.
Get rid of this now. So now, as you can see, after we pulled out all the shelving, what I'm doing now is just filling in the holes with some spackle. And essentially, in the ideal world, you would sand that and repaint the entire closet, but we were a little lazy and we did cut some corners here with the wall. You'll see a little bit later that we, with the other walls in the closet, we covered them with wallpaper instead of painting them, which came out really nice. So you guys will see that later in the video. So as you can see, we already have our base installed for our closet. So right now we are just putting the wire shelving in. So we purchased this closet from Lowe's, and it's called the Rubbermaid Fast Track Closet Kit, which I'll put more details in the description box below. But as you can see, we got the nickel color, so the wire shelving is a nickel color, as well as just the rods and every, you know, piece to the closet. They did have an option for white wire, but we thought that this would just be, you know, a different look and more aesthetically pleasing for the look that Ciana was trying to achieve. You know, this closet was definitely easy to put together. I recommend maybe having two people to try to put this together, but it was definitely super easy to do, so you can definitely do this at home, as well as it was super affordable. It was only about $100 to purchase, and they have different, you know, lengths and so forth. So super affordable and a great alternative if you're looking for a cost-efficient way to customize your closet. We also installed drawers in the middle part of the closet column. So we had a wire drawer, and then we had like a regular, like solid wood drawer. The wire drawer ended up not working out. We kind of measured the measurement and the size of both the drawers. We thought, you know, the wire and the wood drawer were the same width, but they weren't. But the wood drawer fit perfectly in the middle column, so we were super happy. At least we could get one drawer in there. So you guys will see the reveal later in the video, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, now I am installing the wallpaper. We only did wallpaper on two sides of the wall in the closet, and essentially we did this to cover up the holes in the wall. We didn't want to really paint the entire closet. So we used an alternative solution, which was the wallpaper, and the wallpaper really just gave the closet a nice aesthetic, and essentially it gave the closet some character. So now I am organizing Ciana's closet. So we put everything back in the closet that she wanted to keep, and we organized it according to the new structure of the closet. So as you can see, I am just placing her clothing into categories and color coordinating accordingly. So jackets with jackets, business attire with the business attire, dresses with dresses, and so forth. So here is the before. And here is the after. So I am absolutely obsessed with this closet. It came out better than I ever imagined it would. You know, the wallpaper really set everything off, and I love Ciana's new shoe wall, which I got these containers from the Container Store, so I'll link them down below in the description box. And yeah, just everything just has a home, and it just looks really nice, and it's very aesthetically pleasing. And we did this on a budget, all under about $500 or so. So if you are interested in DIYing your closet and doing kind of a custom closet look, I definitely suggest going this route. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next week.